I'm back and I'm going to show you how you can make a really simple baked chicken and rice. And it's delicious. And with my dish, I'm going to use boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So here are my seasonings. And I'll tell you what I got. I've got a half of a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of paprika, a half a tablespoon of parsley, and probably a half teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm just going to put some light salt on the top of it. So I've got that. I have got a cup and a half of rice. I've got 3 cups of chicken broth, and I've got 2 pats of butter, 2 sticks of butter. So the first thing I'm going to do is, you can rub this all around if you want, but I throw it in this bag right like so. Mix it all up, because I shake my chicken in it so that everything gets coated. So, there we have that. Okay? Now I'm just going to mash it around until it all gets coated really nice. Just like shake and bake. And it'll all get coated gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit there because that's all set to go. Okay? Now, my little pan here, I am going to put a cup and a half of rice in the bottom of that pan. Beautiful. Okay, and then with that, this is so simple, guys. This always turns out wonderful. I love this. And look how nice and coated that is. See that? I'm going to put that one there, and this is going to take up every bit of this because I'm making a nice big bunch of it. That way I'll have extras for over the weekend. Alright, look how beautiful that turns out. That is just gorgeous. Okay, so that's all set. Now, all you do is put your 3 cups of chicken broth in here. And there you have it. And I am going to do just a little bit of salt on the top of it. And that's it. That is it. It's that simple. Now I'm going to just stick my butter around in here because it's going to melt right into everything. And that is all I do. That simple, that easy. I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. And when it's all done, I'll show you how it turns out. Hey friends, this is done. It baked for 45 minutes. I did forget to tell you that you cover it with aluminum foil. And the last 20 minutes, well, I did it for 45 minutes, but the last 15 to 20 minutes, you just uncover it and just let it, you know, kind of brown up a little bit. But anyway, here it is. It is gorgeous. And this rice, as you can see, is nice and fluffy. Perfect. Absolutely. Not sticking to the pan, and I did not grease the pan. I just let it go. But there's the hubbies. You don't even need to add anything to it. Just serve it up, and it's absolutely beautiful. So there you have it, friends. Another quick and easy meal. Thanks for watching.